What's up, tech enthusiasts? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we've got some exciting details about the upcoming OnePlus 12 that you won't want to miss. From a jaw-dropping display to a powerhouse of a camera system, the OnePlus 12 is shaping up to be a game-changer. So, grab your tech hats and let's dive into the confirmed and rumored features of this highly anticipated device. Let's kick things off with what we know about the OnePlus 12's display. Confirmed reports suggest that the OnePlus 12 will boast a staggering brightness of up to 4,500 nits, ensuring vivid and eye-catching visuals. The display itself is rumored to be a spacious 6.82-inch panel with a crisp 1440 by 3168 resolution. And to keep things smooth, it's almost certain that we'll see a 120 Hz refresh rate, making for a buttery smooth user experience. Moving on to the build and durability features of the OnePlus 12. There's speculation that the OnePlus 12 might step up its game in terms of build quality, offering a more premium feel compared to its predecessor, the OnePlus 11. Additionally, there's hope for proper water resistance, providing users with added peace of mind against the elements. Now, let's focus on the eyes of the OnePlus 12. The camera system. Confirmed details reveal an impressive camera setup, including a 48-megapixel main lens, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a powerful 64MP telephoto lens. Optical zoom enthusiasts will be pleased to know that the OnePlus 12 is confirmed to support 3x optical zoom, promising detailed and versatile photography. Powering this device, let's talk about the battery and charging capabilities. The OnePlus 12 could pack a massive 5,400 mAh battery, ensuring all-day longevity for even the most demanding users. Charging is set to be a highlight with the possibility of 100 watts wired and 50 watts wireless charging, making topping up your device a breeze. Last but certainly not least, let's discuss the brains behind the operation: the performance and storage. Confirmed reports assure us that the OnePlus 12 will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, promising top-tier performance. And for those who crave power and storage, the device is set to offer configurations with up to a whopping 24 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. Wrapping it up, the OnePlus 12 is shaping up to be a powerhouse, blending cutting-edge display technology, a formidable camera system, and top-notch performance. Which feature are you most excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more updates. Until next time, stay tuned for the latest in the world of tech.